So this is the amount of money that I've got with this last month, and I only did it from this website that I'm about to show you guys. So just follow the steps and involve yourself, invest your time, and of course hit that subscribe button. So let's go and do it. The website is called mindsumo.com, and this website gets you a lot of money for using Google. And I really mean, guys, a lot of money is in here, and we're just gonna use Google search. Of course, this works all around the world, so you can live in Africa, in Asia, Australia, wherever you live, you can get the money. Now, I have also found some reviews about MindSumo on Glassdoor, and you can see that they have 4.8 out of here, and you can be sure that it is a legit website that you can get a lot of money. So let's start with it. So you can see right off the bat that they have a lot of these world's top brands which they have partnered up with. So you can see Coca-Cola, Yahoo, IBM, Delta, Ericsson. There are a lot of these people who are giving out money to MindSumo in order to get the answers to certain questions. Okay, so for example, design the bathing experience of the future, guys, and you can see that the reward is $1.6 thousand for you, but it is not only for the first place, and that's a good thing, guys. You can see that top 10% will share $1,000, and next 15% will share $400, and the next 25% will get $200 to share. And that's a good thing because you will always get a little bit of the money, whichever one of these questions you choose to answer, okay? But of course, you don't have to come up with your own answer, guys. You can just go and you can use Google. Now, let me just show you this, guys. For example, this question is already done. So this was in the past, and the prize pool was $800. And if you scroll down below, guys, you will see that one grand prize winner will receive $400, and two runner-up winners will each receive $200. On this question, there is $20,000 prize pool, and you can see that this is distributed as well. And this question, for example, how can we use our digital presence to attract millennial and Gen Z candidates? $1.6 thousand. It is also done, but look at this, guys. This is split up. So $100 for the first one, $100 for this one, and it goes down, guys. So you will most probably get some amount of money for yourself if you just use Google and you send the answer to these questions on mindsumo.com. So let me show you what I mean. Let me show you how this works and how we are gonna do this. So for example, this question: how would you improve or reduce secondary packaging during shipping? And what you have to do in order to start with this, guys, you can just copy this into your clipboard, then just paste it in here in Google search bar, hit that search button, guys, and then just scroll through these articles. You can see 13 easy ways to reduce packaging costs, how to reduce damages to packaging and products, 9 ways to reduce packaging costs and increase profit. So now what you can do is you can just go and you can just copy this entire article and you can just go and give it to these people, but do not go and just take this article and paste it the way it is. What I suggest that you do is that you go on these articles and you can just go and see what's the best on it. You can see that there is a lot of information. There are a lot of these steps in this article, and you can do that for every question, guys, really. But this, for the sake of this video, we can just take, for example, I don't know, this part, and then go to a website which is called spinbot.com, and this is gonna rewrite your text. So it's free tool. You just have to rewrite the text in order that we avoid that copyright issue, okay? They have these software and things like that which will most certainly find that somewhere on the internet and your article will not be accepted. So Spinbot will get it done for free. It will just rewrite your text, it will paraphrase it, and whatever you put on this left-hand side here it will be rewritten. So for example, you can just take this. I just want to show you this as an example. This one sentence, you can just paste it in here. You can just click on this pin it button. You can just then complete this CAPTCHA, this weird CAPTCHA, and you can see this has been now rewritten and it's an original text. So it was, as we know, time is money, so you can invest this wasted money in other areas, and it becomes, as we probably are aware, time as cash. So you can put this squandered cash in different regions. So you know what this means, you know what this does. It will avoid copyright issues. You get the money pretty easily, and this is of course free. Google is of course free. You can just go and search for the answer on the internet and then just go and just research a bit about about these articles, research a bit about this question that you have on hand, and then you can repeat that process for all of these questions which are here, okay? So MindSumo, this is what MindSumo does, and you have to go and you just have to click on I'm a problem solver and then just apply here and start getting that money. Of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. MindSumo has an app on the App Store as well, so you can do this via your phone as well. You don't even have to use your computer. That's how good MindSumo is. And of course, Google is your best friend, guys. You just have to search for it, whichever question. You can see here that there are a lot of these new ones now. And for example, you can choose this one as well. So what non-food consumer product trends will emerge and fade away in 2023? You can just copy that, go and search for that as well. And people will just give you these articles, these suggestions, which you can just take for free, spin it here on Spinbot for free as well, and then go and just put it in here as an answer and get some money out of this prize pool, which are always good, guys. You can see prize pools are really good. There are really nice amounts of money here. I have shown you one which was 20,000 bucks, and I mean, this is really something that we can't miss out on. And you just have to invest your time. You don't have to invest any money into this. You just have to invest a bit of your time. Just do a quick Google search, spin the text, and then just put it here on MindSumo so these people can review it and so they can give you the money. But now, believe it or not, there is one more website which is similar to MindSumo, and this one is called Ask Wonder, and it does the same thing. This is good for diversifying our streams of income, okay? So you have two websites instead of one with all of these good partners, with all of that good money here, and these guys just go and do the same thing. They ask these questions, as you can see. So what percentage of people whip out their phones to check social media while they're waiting in line? And these guys, they're doing research like this, and you can see, for example, what is the market size of the global anxiety economy, and there are really a lot of these questions. And of course, you can use Google as well. You will just find the articles, find the answers to all of these questions which they search for, and of course use Spinbot here as well, because copyright issues have to be avoided. And then you will have something like this article, which is on Ask Wonder, and you will get a nice amount of money if you submit it. So you can see here, earn while you learn. You can just apply here to become a research analyst, and then you can just start to earn, work, and learn at the same time on Ask Wonder and on MindSumo as well. So you can just go and apply and then just get started with this, guys. Get started. Do not miss this opportunity. And trust me, guys, it is very simple. Just apply. Apply here on MindSumo as well. Diversify your streams of income. Use Google, use Spinbot as well, and just go and get a lot of that money, guys. I'll catch you later.